somehow knew it would be a love song, and it would be about you. I wish I'd have a cow, so you wouldn't see me now and know it's crazy. You might be my baby. Just stop